In this video, I am going to show you two methods to download videos from Chrome. The first method involves using a Google Chrome extension. Search for the Video Downloader Professional extension in the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome, then pin the extension for easier access. Visit the website with the video you want to download, then click the download icon from the extension. Select the video and click the download option, then choose the location to save the video and confirm it. The second method involves using Chrome's Inspect tool. Press F12 or right-click and select Inspect. Go to the Network tab and Filter by Media. Play the embedded video. If nothing shows up, refresh the page. Once the video file appears in the Network tab, right-click and select Open in a new tab. Save the file to your preferred location. These tutorials show different ways to download videos that may not have direct download options on Chrome. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.